Do you feel like your wardrobe needs a complete makeover, but your budget is holding you back? In today's video, I'll show you how to transform your entire style without breaking the bank. Stick around, because these 15 style hacks will change how you dress forever. Introduction: fashion doesn't have to cost a fortune. Whether you're saving money for something big or just want to shop smarter, I've got you covered. From repurposing old clothes to finding hidden gems in thrift stores, these hacks are easy, practical, and will make you look like $1 million for less than the cost of your morning coffee. Section 1: Closet Essentials, the foundation of style. First, let's talk about closet essentials. Building a wardrobe starts with the basics: neutral t-shirts, a good pair of jeans, a blazer, and versatile shoes. These items form the foundation of any outfit, and you don't need to splurge to get them. Brands like Uniqlo, H&M, and thrift stores offer affordable, yet high-quality options. Why basics are versatile. How to identify high-quality fabrics on HowToBudget. Color palettes that mix and match easily. How to tailor cheap clothing for a perfect fit. Section 2: Thrifting like a pro. Next up, thrifting. Thrift stores and second-hand shops are gold mines for unique pieces. The key is knowing how to shop strategically. Start by researching thrift stores in affluent neighborhoods, as they often have higher quality donations. Best days to shop, e.g. after donation drives. How to spot hidden designer items. Tips for negotiating prices at second-hand stores. Cleaning and upcycling thrifted items to make them look new. Section 3: Repurposing and DIY hacks. Don't toss out old clothes. With a little creativity, you can breathe new life into your wardrobe. For example, turn oversized shirts into trendy crop tops or repurpose jeans into stylish shorts. DIY tutorials, e.g. no-sew hacks, adding embellishments like patches, embroidery, or buttons. Dyeing old fabrics to make them look fresh. Turning scarves into tops or accessories. Section 4: Smart shopping tips for sales and discounts. Who doesn't love a good sale? Shopping smart is all about timing and strategy. Always check out end-of-season sales where retailers mark down items to make room for new collections. Apps and websites for tracking sales. How to use cashback apps and promo codes. Why outlet malls can be a secret weapon. Avoiding impulse buys and sticking to a budget. Section 5: Accessorizing like a stylist. Accessories are the secret weapon of any stylish outfit. A statement necklace, a chic belt, or even a bold pair of sunglasses can elevate your look instantly. How to mix high and low-cost accessories. Statement pieces every wardrobe needs. Why scarves, hats, and jewelry are game changers. Organizing accessories for easy styling. Section 6: Building confidence in your style. Style isn't just about clothes, it's about confidence. If you feel good in what you're wearing, it'll show. Start by dressing for your body type and embracing what makes you unique. Understanding your body shape. The psychology of colors and how they affect perception. Experimenting with trends versus sticking to your style. Celebrating individuality through clothing. And there you have it. 15 style hacks to transform your wardrobe on a budget. Remember, fashion is about creativity, confidence, and making the most of what you have. You don't need a big budget to look amazing. Let me know in the comments which hack you're excited to try first. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a style upgrade.